Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's Farzeen and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new video. I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. It's an announcement video and I do have some updates to share with you guys. So I'm going to announce the winner for the giveaway I announced almost a week ago. Yeah, so I'm going to announce the winner for that, or maybe winners. We'll see. So first of all, I just want to thank Yusra for this collaboration, this gift box collaboration. It was so much fun working with her, and she is so nice. Her work is so beautiful. So make sure you go follow her on her Instagram and her YouTube. I'll leave the links down in the description box below. So yeah, thank you, Yusra, for collaborating with me. And the next thing is that I want to announce the winners. This is really exciting. So um, the winner is Tayyaba. So congratulations, Tayyaba. We chose winners using an app, so we randomly just chose one. So Tayyaba, you are the winner. Congratulations, and I'm really happy that I'll be able to send this to you. I I guess you wanted this white one, so that's why I'm sending this one to you. Make sure you DM me on Instagram so that we can discuss further details. And yeah, I'm just really happy that you won. And I want to thank everyone. And by everyone, I mean I want to thank everyone who entered the giveaway and showed their support. It was so much fun doing the giveaway, and it was so much fun engaging with you guys. You guys were so nice and so supportive. And thank you so much, everyone. Lina, Freyal, Sarah, Sana, Asma, uh, everyone who entered the giveaway. So I'm really, really, really thankful to everyone. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys will keep supporting me because I need your support to grow my channel, and I always work really hard on my project, so I hope you guys appreciate because I appreciate you all. And yeah, thank you again. And now I do have another announcement, and that is that I just couldn't choose one winner, so I just thought I'll choose two winners. So the second winner who won the other box, which is this one, I'm really happy to announce that Zohruf won this. Zohruf, do DM me on Instagram. Make sure you do DM me. Uh, Both winners, Tayyaba and Zohruf, just make sure you message me on Instagram so that we can discuss further details. And I hope you guys will love these gift boxes because I absolutely love them. It was so much fun making them. So now that I've announced the winners, I do have some updates to give you guys. For the new updates, I'm starting new series on my channel. There are going to be several of them, but for now, I'm going to tell you that I'm doing a scrap series that is use up your scraps, because I know crafty lovers love crafting and they do not like to waste their leftovers, the scrap pieces, and I don't like doing that either, so I always just use them. So I'm going to make several tutorials on how you can use your scraps, and it's going to be really fun. So just stay tuned for the future projects. And again, I hope you guys will keep supporting me. Do subscribe me for the support because I need that. Do subscribe, hit the like button, and I always appreciate the comments. Just leave comments and tell me how you like my work and what I should do in the future, what projects I should do on my channel in the future. I would love to have your suggestions. And other than that, Yeah, I do have some plans for June. I'm starting this scrap series, and I will be uploading more videos, inshallah. Thank you, everyone, so very much. I just can't tell you how much I appreciate all the support you guys gave me for the giveaway and how much you guys engaged in it. I love you all, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the giveaway just as much as I did. Winners, congratulations. Do DM me. Don't forget to do that, and I'll send you your gifts in a week, or it might take more than a week, but you'll get them, inshallah. Other than that, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.